Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to make flashcards in Gizmo? So make flashcard in Gizmo. Type first thing you have to do is go to your browser, then type in Gizmo right here. There you go. After doing that, just wait for it, and here you go. There you go. Now once we're here, click on the Gizmo. As you can see right here, we don't have a Gizmo account. All we're gonna need to do, if you have a Gizmo account, just click on login right here. If you don't, just click on start learning. After that, enter your name. Let's just say okay, Jay. Then after that, click on submit page. Just say 21. Submit university, work, or we're gonna put others. Enter topic. Let's say I don't have anything yet. So there we go. I click on start. Oh, there you go. Then right, so we're gonna. I think it bugged a bit, so we're just gonna submit it. H21 others topic. Let's say superhero. Submit. There you go. Submitting. There you go. There you go. As you can see right here, it's now giving us this one. So we're just gonna close that up. So we're just gonna make here it's our gizmo. Our gizmo. So we're right here. So here we can do is to make a flashcard is click on add right here. After clicking add right here, you can add a question right here. Let's just say our question is who is Batman? And there you go. After doing that, we're gonna add our answers here. There you go. You can add our answers here. Let's say recently added card. As you see, who is Batman? And oopsie, forgot. We're gonna edit it. But who is Batman? He is Bruce Wayne. There you go. Then save. There you go. As you can see right here. And we're just gonna underline that. So when you start learning right here, it's gonna say you need to type the Bruce Wayne. So let's just say here. Let's just say 1 plus 1, and the answer is supposed to be 2. There you go. And 2 and 3 and plus 4. And the final answer will be 6. Now we're going to go 5 to make it 7. 7, then save. And after doing that, as you see right here, just underline this one right here. Not all of that. 1 plus 1. Remove that part. We're going to only the 2, then the 7. Plus, there we go. So now we're going to learn. Click on that, then um, continue, blah, blah, blah. Start. Start that. After doing that, as you can see right here, who is Batman? He is Bruce Wayne. Batman's after Bruce Wayne, a rich businessman who fights crime in Gotham. So you see right here, who is Batman? You can now choose Bruce Wayne. We're going to we have now gotten a point. And then next here, 2 plus 2 plus 5, blah, 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 plus 2 plus 5 equal, continue. Then it's going to ask us, what does 1 plus 1 equals when added to 5 according to the provided study material? So the answer is 7. So there you go, guys. As you can see, that's how you make your flashcards in Gizmos. There you go. Tuesday done. Then there you go. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. And we can also import some stuff right here. So you see on the top right, magical import. You can import PDF, PowerPoint, record lecture notes, YouTube, take photo of no quiz link, upgrade, and many more, etc. So the AI will automatically make your flashcards for you. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comments below. And a quick tip for you guys is to say, after you're done doing this, you can either put it to archive or you can just move it to another folder if you want. But now we're done with this. We're just gonna put it to our archive, and then we can either click that, delete it. Once we delete it, we'll never see it again, or we can restore it. So for now, we're gonna delete it because we're done. There you go. So there. I hope you guys get the video. If you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.